Magandang gabi, magandang araw, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta guys? Sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin is ano itong tatlong bagay na gagawin mo that guarantee that would guarantee close to 100% your success rate in network marketing. These three things. I don't want you to forget these three things. Grabe yung guarantee, no? This will guarantee close to 100% your success rate. You know, I'm not naive to think that it's 100% sure. Because I believe in divine intervention. I believe that at the end of the day, ang success o tagumpay natin sa buhay ay nasa kamay ng Panginoon. Okay? But at the same time, I also believe that there are patterns for you to succeed. There are laws that governs this world. When God created this world, He created it with law. You just need to figure out what laws that you have to implement and apply so that you will have a higher chances of success. So if ready ka nang makinig, type mo dyan ready sa my chat, and let's dive in. So, the first one is so obvious na palagi itong pinapag-uusapan sa training. Sobrang obvious ito na alam mo, pinag-uusapan mo ba yan? But let me tell you this because this is one of the most important. The first one is, no matter what happened, wag kang mag-quit. Don't stop, don't quit, keep going. Because 100%, I will guarantee that you will not succeed. 100%, I will guarantee that you won't succeed if you stop at any point. I remember I have one mentor na sabi niya, sa sobrang hataw mo ngayon, tapos nag-quit ka, baka dumating na yung success mo, pero wala ka na. Sabi niya kasi, I don't know, this is what my mentor said. I'm just throwing this idea with you. Sabi niya, hindi question kung yayaman ka sa network marketing. Ang tanong lang kung nandyan ka pa ba, kung darating na yung tagumpay mo sa network marketing. And no nakikinig ako, sabi ko, tama, it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. Kasi a lot of people, they quit at the first sign of difficulty. Kaya magugulat kayo kung bakit sobrang konti ng umaasenso sa business ito. Kasi a lot of people, ang dami na nagki-quit sila, tumitigil sila at the first sign of difficulty. They always look at the silver bullet. Ano yung silver bullet? They always look at the magic. Kapag mahirap dito, ayoko na dito na naman ako. Alam mo yung mga ganong klaseng style. And I will assure you 100% if that's the kind of mentality na meron ka, kahit anong pasukin mo na business, hindi ka talaga aasenso. No one makes it by jumping from one point to another simply because they have small seeming inconvenience that they've experienced. So the first step that will give you an almost close to 100% guarantee na talagang tataas ang success rate mo dito is when you decide that you will continue to keep going and you won't stop. Hindi ka titigil. Tama ba? Right? That's the first thing. I don't know how you're going to do it. You have to figure out how to handle your time. You have to figure out how to deal with your job. You have to figure out how to connect with your life right now. Hindi ko alam. Okay? Maraming aspect, maraming angle yan that I will make a discussion. Isasama ko sa discussion ko yan dito sa Dominate MLM 2.0. Kung hindi ka pa naka-register, that would be this Friday na yung simula ng first session. So, November 7 to 9 and November 14 to 16. Okay, the price of the scores, I'll tell you, is so small compared sa makukuha mo dito. I'm not saying this dahil course ko siya, but this is what I do. I think ginagawa ko palagi every time that I do courses like this. I always make sure that you really get what you paid for. Okay, you really get what you paid for. That's what I wanted to give to you. So go to dominatemlm.com kung hindi ka pa naka-register. Kung naka-register ka na, type mo dyan sa my chat or dito sa my comments, see you, coach. Okay? So that's the first one. Huwag kang mag-quit. Very basic, very very obvious. But I would like to say this, hindi ko palalampasin dito sabihin. When you make that decision, maniwala ka sa akin, hahanapan mo ng paraan para maipasok ang network marketing mo. Pero kung hindi ka pa nakapag-desisyon, hahanapan mo ng paraan para hindi siya gawin. Tama? People say, hindi, Gerard, hindi naman ako mag-quit kaya lang kasi wala akong oras, hindi kasi wala akong pera, hindi kasi wala naman akong talent. Hindi yun pahilan eh. Kung hindi ka mag-quit, bakit hindi natin hanapan ng paraan? Tama ba? So that's the first one. Tama ba? Learning ba? Tanya ka learning. Never quit. Keep moving forward no matter what happens. You wake up every day with doubts, with fear, with uncertainty, with low emotion. But at the end of the day, you would say to yourself, I will never quit. I will never stop. I will keep going. That's the first step. That will guarantee close to 100% na asenso ka sa network marketing. Number two. Do everything in massive. Do everything in massive. Pwede kang magsimula sa pag-network na pakonti-konti. Trying, konti dito, try itong system na to, itong strategy na to, itong script na to, pakonti-konti. Pwede yun. Pero wala po kasi talagang umaangat ng pakonti-konti lang yung effort na ibinibigay. Gusto ko nang sabihin sa'yo right now to. Baka na-shock ka to. Pero hindi ko itatago sa'yo to. If you want to be known in social media, then you have to be massively be visible in social media. And you can't do that by posting one content in 1 year. Sinasabi ko na. If you want to really win in sending or connecting through messaging, you have to be sending unbelievable amount of messages. I'm saying that. If you want to win on ads, you have to try a lot of ads. Hindi lang pwedeng isang ad lang, hindi nag-work, hindi ads nag-work. Hindi. You have to do everything on massive. Unbelievably massive. Sabi nga ni Alex Hormozi, do things on massive number in so much volume that it is impossible not to win. Sabi niya, do so much of the process that it is logically impossible na hindi ka manalo dahil sa sobrang volume ng ginagawa mo. People always wanted perfection in the process. Gusto nila na kapag ginawa nila isang bagay, magpa-perfect agad, mag-work agad. I've been mentoring a lot. I've been in one-on-one mentorship, and ito yung palagi ko napapansin. They always wanted the one thing. Ito yung gagawin ko, tapos ito yung effective. Ayaw nila yung process. They hate the process. Kaya, I don't know, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, marami akong mga nakakausap na nagpapadone for you, di ba? Maybe some of you, nagpadone for you ka ng sales funnel, ito yung sinabi sa'yo, done for you, ako nang gagawa, ganun. Ayaw kasing ganito ako na, babayaran ko na lang. Hindi mo naintindihan yung principle. Ngayon, nagbayad ka ng more than 100,000, nagpagawa ka ng social media, nagpa-optimize ka ng social media, nagbayad ka 100,000. Ayaw mo kasing gawin yung process So, gumastos ka ngayon ng hundreds and nearly 300,000 yung ginastos mo, pero walang nangyari. Because you do everything by volume. It is not, there's no shortcut to it. Ako sinasabi ko na sa inyo to. No? If you want to win in network marketing, i-condition mo na yung mind mo ngayon pa lang. Hindi mo man gawin ngayon agad. Pero i-condition mo yung mind mo that at any point sa network marketing business mo, kailangan mo talagang damihan yung ginagawa mo. If you have a problem with your stocks, nakatambak yung stock mo, then have an unbelievable number of reaching out to people to sell your stocks. You can't just look at your stock and say, sana mabenta siya. Hindi talaga. If you have a target with your commission, you need to have an unbelievable number of people na i-reach out so that you can get sign up. I'll tell you, hindi talaga pwedeng pa isa-isa pa idala-dalawa. Marami sa inyo dito, o marami sa ating mga network marketers na di-discourage tayo kasi parang ine-expect natin na kapag nakadalawa, tatlo, apat na dapat may PE na. Hindi ganun. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo. Some of you might need to reach out 50 people. Some of you might need to reach out 100 people. Some of you need to reach out so many. Because it's all about volume. It's all about volume. I talked to one top earner. And naging top earner daw siya. Simple na yung ginawa niya. Nung nagsimula siya doon sa company niya, tinanong niya yung isa sa mga top na nag-network. Sabi niya, ilan yung, paano ako nag-top? Sabi niya, 3 yung pinapresentan ko a day. Tapos, okay, 3. Alam mo yung ginawa niya? Ginawa niyang 6 in a day. Yun yung ginawa niya. So, dinamihan niya. And that's how it's done. And I understand there's always a time issue here. Huwag kang mag-alala. Don't feel like ikaw lang yung may struggle na ito. Okay lang ba? Huwag mo sabi, ako kasi iba kasi kaya nila. Ako kasi hindi lang ikaw. Sabi mo, wala kasi ako. Ang dami ko kasing ginagawa. Hindi lang ikaw. Don't even think na ikaw lang yung may ganyang pinagdadaanan. Maliwanag ba? It's everybody's challenge. It's everybody's concern. And if there will always be an issue of resources, but if you have figured out, kung ma-figure out mo na along the way paano mo mapapalako yung business mo with a limited amount of resources, dun ka mananalo. Dun ka mananalo. But I hope tanggapin mo na ngayon na kailangan massive tsaka volume talaga. Ako naniniwala talaga ako sa volume tsaka massive number. Believer talaga ako nun. Kasi dun ka talaga matututo. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Hello Dante, good evening. Good evening sa'yo. Maliwanag ba? Type nyo nga learning dyan sa may comment kung natututo kayo. Type nyo learning sa may comments. Okay? So yung pinakauna, okay, the first one, may katatlo pa tayo ah. The first one is decide not to quit. Very basic, very common, but just make a decision no matter what happens, tatayo ka, didiretso ka. It will give you an unfair advantage to most people na nahirapan lang nagtumigil na. Okay? Maniwala ka sa akin, like, you wouldn't realize na yung isang simpleng decision mo na yun, magbabago ang takbo ng buhay mo, maniwala ka sa akin. Yun lang isang bagay na yun, yung hindi ka lang mag-quit, maniwala ka, magbabago ang takbo ng buhay mo. For good, okay? Compare mo na, hindi, dito na lang ako, okay na ako dito. Alam mo yun? Dito na lang ako, mas okay dito. Gets mo ba? John Ray Vergara, Lydia Segundo, magandang araw. Good evening sa inyo. Kamusta kayo? Good to see you here. Mabago takbo ng buhay. Number 2, do everything on massive. Please, don't think na makakaisa, dalawa lang kakausapin mo, okay ka na. I mean, please, wag. Hindi talaga nag-work yung ganun eh. Lalokoy mo lang yung sarili mo. Yan sabi ko na. Sabi mo, coach, nagko-content naman ako, wala namang pumapansin. Ilan ba yung kinontent mo? Ilang content mo yung na-post mo? Sabi mo, isa. Kailan mo last mo pinost? 3 months ago. Labo. Labo yung ganun. Gusto mo makilala online, tapos isa lang content mo. 3 months ago pa. Third, the last, and I believe the most important, that will seal the 2, hindi na mo po pwedeng, ito lang hindi po pwedeng, hindi ka lang nag-quit, tapos wala ka namang ginagawa. Tama ba? Hindi pwede yun. Hindi ako mag-quit, tapos wala ka namang ginagawa. Hindi pwede. Diba? Hello, Fe, Ma'am Fe, magandang araw. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kaya may gawin ka. Kaya number 2, kailangan massive number. Tama? You don't quit, you put the numbers, you put the effort, 100% of the effort. I mean, condition mo ng sarili mo, kailangan marami talaga. Okay? Number 3, this will seal the 2. Hindi naman po pwedeng hindi ka nag-iisip. Hindi po pwedeng power lang. Marami namang ganun mga network marketer. Massive ako. Massive number, hindi nag-iisip. Number 3, wag mapagod maghanap ng kasagutan. Continue to invest either your time or resources to learn. Lahat ng concern sa network marketing business natin may kasagutan yan. Okay? Pakisulat nito. Wala pong walang sagot. Maliwanag ba? Lahat ng concern natin sa network marketing business natin may kasagutan. Ang problem lang na napapansin ko sa network marketing communities is meron tayong mindset na kung ano lang yung bibigay sa'yo ng upline mo, yun lang. Hindi ako agree sa ganun, guys. Sa totoo lang. Siguro, kung maayos yung upline mo at saka talaga nag-i-improve, nag-move yung upline mo, po pwede. Pero may problema kasi sa ganun eh. Marami ako nakikita na nalilimit yung growth nila kasi natatakot sila na pagalitan ng upline nila. Sinasabi ko, bakit ka natatakot pagalitan ng upline mo? Bakit ano ba yung upline mo? Boss mo? Hindi mo boss yan. Diba? Magsasuggest yan, yes. Pero why be afraid? Kasi ba? So, wag matakot. Maghanap ng kasagutan sa negosyo mo. At the end of the day, negosyo mo yan. Your business is your responsibility. It is not your upline's responsibility. It is not your crossline, whatever. So, wag kang matakot mag-discover. Ano ba yung mga pwede mo pang aralin? Maliwanag ba? Right? And with all that said, if hindi ka pa naka-register sa dominatemlm.com, go to that website, grab your slot to be part of my live course on this Friday, November 7 to 9 and November 14 to 16. Okay? I want you to be there. Gusto kitang makita doon because ang mga pag-uusapan natin dito para sa dami ng mga network marketers, dapat mag-stand out ka. Yun ang goal natin para sa'yo. Tama ba? Sa ilang hundreds and thousands of network marketer na Filipino, paano ka mag-stand out? Kasi kailangan talaga mag-stand out ka. And there's a pattern para mo makukuha yun. And meron kang, yun ang ituturo ko sa inyo. Okay? So, kahit hindi ka pa top earner, so, go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. So those are 3 things. First, decide not to quit. Second, do everything in massive. And number 3, always learn, always discover strategy and tactic or mindset or anything that could help your network marketing business move. Isang bagay lang na gusto kong i-emphasize dito, why my course is I recommend my courses. Because I am an active network marketer. That's number 1. Number 2, if I teach a strategy or tactic, I teach it in a way na nire-relate ko sa network marketing. For sure, marami sa inyo na kumukuha ng mga courses sa labas na hindi related sa network marketing. Nasama, for example, digital marketing, mga social media, mga branding, mga ganitong mga courses and everything. Pero pagpasok mo, after mo nang kumuha ng course, minsan you paid so much, hindi mo ngayon ma-implement sa network marketing business mo kaya hindi mo siya ma-absorb kung paano mo siya gagawin. One thing I appreciate what I do is that I relate it to the network marketing business. So hindi mo na siya kailangang isipin ba. So if you're listening to me right now and you're ready to dominate your network marketing business, go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. Another one, this is the best time for you to really prepare for 2026. Bakit? Paghahanda ka, huwag kang maghahanda ng January. Ngayon tayong paghandaan. Kung positive, okay, matanong ko lang, positive ka ba sa mangyayari sa 2026? Hopeful ka. Sino sa inyo dito, hopeful ka na 2026 will be your breakthrough year for network marketing? Type mo momentum. Type mo momentum sa may comment. Momentum! Sige nga. Sige nga, type mo momentum sa may comment. Kung naniniwala ka na sa 2026 will be your year for network marketing. Sasabihin mo, ito na talaga, babangon ako sa network marketing. Lahat ng mga struggle, lahat ng challenges ko, talagang 2026. Ito na to! I welcome 2026 with so much excitement about my network marketing business. Sino sa inyo dito? Type mo momentum sa may comment. Kung naniniwala ka na ang 2026 will be your year, then this time, ngayon pa lang, paghandaan na natin. Tama ba? Ngayon pa lang paghandaan na natin. Huwag mo nang hintayin pa na January o February pa ng 2026 before ka maganda. This time you prepare. And one of the things that you need to prepare is for you to invest on growth. Go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. See you on the live session, and I hope you learn something from this. If you find value to this, share nyo to, and tag nyo yung mga ka-teammates dito, share nyo sa mga group chat nyo. Okay? Go to dominatemlm.com. I'm going to see you in our live session. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.